Hi, this is Evan Roush out here at Gym City Ford Lincoln in Quincy, Illinois. I have a really nice fresh trade that just came in. This 2013 Ford F-150 extended cab with about 54,000 miles, and we're getting ready to do a little walk around on it. Here we go. This is the 2013 Ford F-150 extended cab FX4 package in race red. Gives it that sport appearance package, blackout grille, off-road tires, his extended cab, equipped with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, 6.5 foot bed. Does come with backup sensors and backup camera. Pretty clean truck. Got nice black running boards. Does come with a nice tailgate step here. Let's look at the back of the bed. Got a couple tie downs. Taking a look underneath the hood, this is the incredible 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, which is the #1 selling in the United States. Take a look inside the back seat. Doesn't even look like anyone sat back here. Everything looks to be in top-notch condition. You get these really nice floor mats, and then these seats do go up for extra cargo room if you'd like. It does come with 10-way power seats with lumbar support with memory seating as well. Adjustable foot pedals, automatic lights. Got center console, moonroof up here. Just under 55,000 miles. Got your four-wheel drive. Trailer brake control. Does come with remote start as well. Heated and cooled seats along with navigation. Dual climate control. The interior is just in top-notch condition. That is your buttons for your moonroof. Let's take a look at this backup camera. Very nice. You can even zoom in if you're backing up to a trailer. Nice FX4 decals, whatnot. And that average there is not correct. That's just from sitting while idling. You have your downhill to sit button with your traction control. Alright guys, just wrapped up this walk around on this really nice 2013 F-150 FX4 extended cab, 55,000 miles on it. I will put in more details and notes below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like my videos, and also go to my website www.roushfordman.com and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.